What's happening, bulls on YouTube? We're going to go altcoin hunting. We're going to find the 3 best, strongest altcoins for the next leg up of the market cycle. We're going to do 1 on this YouTube channel, and then we're going to go 2 in the Blockchain Bulls member channel. That's just how it rolls. So first off, I'm going to show you how we find these altcoins. And you must remember that Bitcoin runs the market. So if Bitcoin's looking no good, we're not going to bother. We'll look at shorts or short-term trades only. But because Bitcoin looks good, as you can see right here, let's drag the cursor across a typical standard uptrend, ascending triangle pattern, high chance continuation to the upside. As you know, ETF inflows massive, USDT printing, everything is going good. Pumpermentals, Donald Trump on the pump, Donald Pump. There's a lot going on, so that makes it okay and allows us for potentially taking altcoin longs or spot positions. First and foremost, you need to filter the coins down. Now remember, this is only suitable for you if you like to buy high, sell higher, ride a trend. If you want to do some value speculating, take a guess on something that may do well, may not do well, opportunity cost, be sitting in it for the next 6 months, take that risk, watch all these other coins pass by you while you're just sitting in these bags that don't move 0.1% today while everything's up 10% and you're just crying and coping, then this is not for you. People typically like to do one of 2 things. They like to buy things when they look cheap, or they like to take a hot tip where they take 0 responsibility and it ends up failing. What we're doing here is grabbing the balls with our hand, putting them in our own court. We're buying an uptrend. We are looking for strength. People typically do not want to buy strength. It's in our human nature. We look at something that's up high and we say, not touching that. You go back, you look the next week, it's up 60%. It's up 60% because it was high and it kept going. Why would it turn around just as you buy it? Are you that special? If you are that special, do not take part in this operation. That's not to say we don't love a pullback. Buying an uptrend, buying it in the secondary trend, which is the pullback, getting a nice entry, that is critical, can be critical, especially if you are trading for leverage. And of course, we like better entries, the better the trade. So let's continue. I'll show you how to find these coins. Now over on Tradingview, we have crypto pairs screener. I'm assuming everyone else has that on their Tradingview account. It's been on mine for so long. If you don't, you can find out how to get it. Crypto pairs screener. I'm sure you'll work that out. Now what we're doing over here where my head is, not like that. We need to go over here where my head is and click filters right here. What I've done, simple type, spot, exchange, Bybit. That's what I trade. And we've come down here and we've gone to the moving averages. We want to find a moving average, simple moving average 5, so that tracks the price. We want the price to be above the 100-day simple moving average. That just filters all the uptrends for us. So we can see all the coins that are uptrending, all the coins that are above the 100-day SMA. Very simple way to just filter out all the downtrending coins, all the coins that are doing nothing, and look for the ones that are trending up. As you can see over here, we've found 76 matches. I'm going to go through these right now on my own, and I will come back to you in a second with what I think the best ones are, or the best one is, and then we'll roll over and I'll show you the other 2. Very important, you have options here. I might show you one, you might like the others. We have a winner. The coin that I have picked for the first one is NIA. There is a few reasons why. Let's go through with them. Lowering volatility, I'll get to that next. The basic ascending triangle pattern, as per Bulkowski, it has around about a 70% chance of breaking to the upside in an uptrend. This coin, NIA, is, if you look at this chart, you get scared. You think that you're going to buy the top. That is the point of a stop loss. You assess your risk and then you put a stop loss in. This coin has gone up, basically up and to the right. It's a daily chart. 1 candle equals 1 day. This coin has basically gone up and to the right since 20th of October 2023. What are the chances of that continuing? Very high. When's it going to stop? Eventually it will. These are all pending Bitcoin, Ethereum, the markets, conditions, and whether if Bitcoin turns around, the whole market's going to crash. Every single one of these stop losses is most likely going to be hit if they're tight. But what we're talking about right now is an ascending triangle pattern on NIA. I'll just show you a comparison to a similar chart, and I'll show you why NIA is better. And it is because, you guessed it, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. If we compare it to something like Render, you'll see a very similar pattern like this. Bit rougher around the edges, as you can see. You're struggling to draw the old a trend linos. But what we're looking at here that is a bit different to NIA when you're looking at Render is a low and then a high, and then a low, and then basically a rejection. So pretty much more or less, if you zoomed in, it definitely would be, especially with that wick to the upside, a liquidity grab here. That is not good. That is a bearish sign on render, and basically a lower low on the daily chart while it's climbing this ascending triangle. Now flick back to near, you can see same date, that was the same high, 11th of May, and then now it's made a higher high. So buyers are willing to pay more for it. This is 11th of May right here, same, and it's a lower high. So near is the best looking ascending triangle if you are happy to buy something at what you're scared of, the top. The easiest way to combat that is just simply putting in a stop loss. You put a stop loss under that, you put a stop loss under that, you put a stop loss under that, give it a little bit of space to save yourself from wicks, especially if you're trading perps. You might have a bit more liquidity on if you're trading spot, but if you just put some stop loss, wherever that you feel comfortable, and assume that potentially the ascending triangle pattern will continue, 70% chance. This is a strong coin. Low volatility definitely helps. BBWP is moving into the blue zone. If we flick over to the 12-hour BBWP, it is blue barring. What that typically means, the signals, is there's going to be a large move. As you can see, if I find another blue bar, you will notice, we'll just have a look at the previous blue bar. It wasn't even as many blue bars as it is right now. So the more the blue, the tighter the contraction, the larger the expansion. So there's going to be a pretty big move. See this move here, when a blue bar come down 20%. So the chances are this blue bar is either going to go up or down. Volatility is direction neutral, so it's going to explode in one direction. And if you've got a tight stop loss and you're happy taking a loss, because that's part of trading, you're fine taking losses. It's just all part of it. You can hope that the expansion, the large move that's coming, probably 20% or more, is going to be in the upside of Bitcoin. Let's see. I've got a couple of good more coins that I'm about to share with you. So I'll see you over on the Blockchain Bulls channel. If you're not interested in coming into the members Blockchain Bulls channel, just join the free chat, the Telegram chat. I'll post it right now, and I'll see you there. We'll have a little chat about this trade and potentially many more that we'll talk about. So I'll see you there.